we are seeing all sorts of different part complexities. But what we found over time, based on the machine and training investments we made, is that we can really excel in making complex parts in a single operation. My name is Bill Burrian, CEO and owner of Pindel Global Precision and its tight tolerance subsidiary, Liberty Precision. When I acquired the company, we had a single Tsugami machine. We made our first purchase of a new machine in 2013, and we really haven't stopped since.
Now we're up to 12 machines from 5AX to 3-cast with the PL38s and the BW329Zs.
The accessories that we get with the machines are all about using the high level of automation that is the Tsugami machine at the highest level of utilization. So whether it's 12-foot bar feeders, mist collectors, high pressure coolant, combined with fire trace, it's all about how do you use that advanced technology at a really high level utilization, using it all the time.
I would talk about the training classes offered by Morris and Tsugami. Not a lot of machine manufacturers offer that kind of upskilling opportunities for the workforce. We take advantage of it at every opportunity, and it's definitely repaid itself here on the shop floor with greater skill and productivity in the machinists.
One instance where Tsugami really came through for us, we were making a part for an aerospace company, and it was very tight tolerances. The cycle time was very long, and we needed to get them done now. So we were able to get a BW329Z in-house and able to pinch drill, pinch mill, and cut the cycle time nearly in half and hold the extremely tight tolerances.
We only buy Tsugami, and that has led to some fantastic relationships. You know, whether it's on the app side, but especially the service side. The team has been incredibly responsive in terms of follow-up, spare parts, service needs. You know, it really feels like you have a partner in your pocket, you know, going to tackle those customer challenges.